Alright, I want some DIY stuff. So I got the tarp down. Gonna mess around with her. I got a screwdriver. Gonna change my lights. And some tire. I forget the exact name from that, but we lost one. Some lugs. Covers. Okay, so these are the lights that when you open the door, it says BMW. It shines the name logo on the ground. And I'm getting ready to try to install them myself. Let's see how this go. And first, let's change the lugs. These. So this is the original. You look nasty in there. We're going to swap them out. It's the easy part. All right. Not bad, not bad. Now. Next, let's spread that out. So we can go ahead and install these lights. Ooh. I guess it's a good thing I'm not one of them kind of girls that's scared to get dirty. Oop. So currently, when you open the door, there's a lock the car opens on the ground. Let's see, can we see it? There's nothing. You can see just the white light. Oops. Alright, so now I'm down on the ground. You can see it's just this here white light. So okay. Still trying to plug it in. Here we go. All right. So you see, this is the light now. You see it shining through in there? All right, now let me show you what you see on my hand. Since it's daytime, you really don't see it too good. But you can see when I go back out and do it, this is how it look on the ground now. Okay? And when you shut the door, it will turn off. Alright. I'll come back and show you later on tonight. One door down, one to go. Now you guys saw I just did the other door. Whoop. Can't hit the Audi. Alright, so now we're going to prop this down again. And we're going to change that light, the second light. So you can see, we can replace this light right here with this one right here that illuminates BMW on the ground. All I need is a screwdriver and my light. So we can take the screwdriver, pop that one out, pop. Ooh, yeah. Now remember, it's not much slack inside here. This thing is hot as hell. So there's not much slack inside there. So I'm try to figure out how to get it, hit that switch up in the top. Oh, I feel like bugs on me. And get it to pop out. The easy part was getting it to come down. All right, there we go. All right, so we got that one out. Now we got the new one with the BMW symbol on it going in. We're just gonna plug it in. Where these two little metallic-y prongs are right here on this side. I'm gonna plug it in there. Remember, not a lot of slack in here. So it's best to just press it up against the side on there. Then you see, as soon as it connects, the light is on. Now let's make it snap. See, now it snaps and you see I have it on. Let's go ahead and slide it back in place. doesn't seem to want to go inside on this side so well, so we help it out a little bit with this here screwdriver. Whoop, and we popped in. And look at that, just that fast, we got it. And you see it's in and it's changed. And now let's show you what it looks like on the ground. You can't really see it so well. I got it illuminated on my hand. And you can see that BMW logo a little bit. Okay? And we'll be out to look at it again later on tonight. So, bye-bye OEM, which is original manufacturer's parts. And hello to this new one. Alrighty. Alright, it's nighttime now, so we're gonna come out here and see how this works out. Let's open up the car. Open it up. Let's see this ground. Oh, look at that, look at that. Did I do that? Alright, so that's it on the driver's side. Now let's come on over here and see what we're looking like on the passenger side. Came out nice. If I don't say so myself, I did that. Yeah. Not a bad job, not a bad job, not a bad job, not a bad job. Pretty easy. All right, off till the next project.